Congratulations on your new home. After searching and looking at dozens of properties in numerous neighborhoods, and all the hard work your Calgary real estate agent has done to find you a beautiful home, has finally paid off. You found it. The perfect home for the perfect price. Now, packing and moving is long and tedious. The last thing you want is to start off in your new home with the leftover stinky dirt, debris and skin cells from the past owners, so AirCare Systems Inc. came to the rescue by cleaning the air you breathe. Your new home is now ready. You can live with the peace of mind knowing your furnace and ducts are the cleanest they've ever been. Congratulations again.